Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to find which fraction is the greatest, 3 over 23 or 7 over 52. This is actually the question of comparing the two fractions. If we write 3 over 23 on left hand side and 7 over 52 on right hand side, the operator in between could be less than, equal to, or greater than. For the time being, if I put just a question mark in between, and we will find out which operator out of these three fits in between. So cross multiplication is valid. So if we cross multiply 3 times 52 question mark 7 times 23, 3 times 52 is 156 question mark 7 times 23 is 161. From here you can easily say that which sign fits in between, which is less than. So this implies that 156 is less than 161. So 3 over 23 is less than 7 over 52. Therefore, 7 over 52 is greater than 3 over 23. Therefore, 7 over 52 is the greatest fraction. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.